Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to get free ringtones for your iPhone. First, in the App Store, search for ringtone, then scroll down. Scroll very down until you see this by BYSS Mobile. Ringtones for iPhone, free and music. Then download that, open that. You will see this icon when you open this app. Then click on this, then choose a song. Any song you have, everything. Then, like, I'm going daylight. And I will just do this. If you don't want any addition, just click on the check mark and edit your name. Click on done. Then back to my tones. Then your ringtone is ready, just like here. I have already saved. Okay, fine. Now I'll go to help, step-by-step instructions. Ready for free ringtones on iPhone. So, let's start. All you need is the computer, the only way to enjoy free ringtones. You have to choose your platform. I'm going to choose PC. Then going to sync with the newest iTunes. Connect with your device. Then click on your iPhone apps. Then select the app ringtone. Then click on that, save to your desktop. Add ringtones to iTunes. Select the Tones tab. Then select ringtones to sync. Set new ringtone to iPhone, then you're done. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.